Welcome to this lecture. So in this lecture we are going to download Android Studio in our system. Android Studio is the recommended IDE by Google which is used for the development of the Android application. So in this lecture we are going to download Android Studio. If you are in a Mac or in a Linux, the process is same. You just need a web browser. So I am using a Chrome browser. You can use whatever browser of your choice. It doesn't matter because at the end we just want to install the Android IDE in our system. So once you open your browser, in the search bar you need to type Android Studio and hit enter key. So once you type the Android Studio and hit enter key, you will get the search result. So from that you just need to click on this either first link or in this second link. So I'm going to click on this first link. So now here you can see that download Android Studio for Windows 64-bit, because right now I'm using a 64-bit operating system. So if you want to know whether your system is 64-bit or 32-bit, so I'm going to show you how you can check it whether your system is 64-bit or 32-bit. Simply I'm going to minimize my web browser, and from this PC I'm going to right click on it and I'm just going to click on this properties option. Then from that a window will open. In that window you can see that I have my system type 64-bit operating system x64 based processor. So if the things are different like x32 or maybe 32-bit operating system, then what you need to do, let me first again click on my Chrome browser. So here you will show a 32-bit version of the Android Studio. So once you click on this Android Studio button, you click it, so a dialog box will pop up. So from there you need to accept the terms and conditions. So once you check on this checkbox, then a download button will enable. So simply click on it. It automatically detects the platform because I am right now in a Windows system using a Windows browser. So that's why it shows us download Android Studio for Windows. So if you are in a Mac, then it will show you download Android Studio for Mac. Or if you are in a Linux, then it will show you download Android Studio for Linux. So once you click on this, then it will ask you where you want to place the downloadable file. So I'm going to just simply select the desktop and hit a save button. So that's how your download starts. So I'm going to cancel it. Now the download of the Android Studio is totally depend upon your internet speed. So if your internet speed is high, then it will take only 5 to 6 minutes. Or if your internet speed is low, then maybe it will take an hour or maybe more than 2 hours. So it will depend upon the speed of your internet. So I have already downloaded the Android Studio. So in next lecture I'm going to show you how to install the Android Studio step by step. So that's all about this lecture. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next lecture. Thank you.